Hi there, how are you? I'm Chris, and this is more or less kind of the let's get started section of the night tutorial. Now, I'm just going to quickly discuss some of the things that you're probably going to need and some of the things that you're definitely going to need. So, first of all, you're going to need a 3D application. Now, I'm going to do my work in 3ds Max. Irony. That's my one, okay. However, this will work in Maya, Blender, XSI, Modo, and probably any other 3D application that's not bad. Okay, now, secondly, I'm going to be using Photoshop. Okay, so I'll put a little arrow next to that. However, you can also use GIMP or any other photo manipulation. Now, I'm also going to use Quixel Suite. Okay, I bought that, it was very reasonably priced. If you don't have Quixel Suite, okay, get Demo. Last 30 days, or used to, so there's no reason you can't use it. Fully functional. And finally, I'm also quite possibly going to be using game textures. Even for the part that isn't going to be a game, even if it's not going to be a game model, they've got some useful little things on there that I can throw on to make it look better. So I might well use that. It's got a free trial. Okay, oh, and hand plane 3D, which is free. Okay, so that's how that one works. Now, just to look over my images here that I've got, I've been very fortunate in that I've been sent quite a lot of reference images by some of the people on 3D Palace as well. Now, I pointed out before, I'm not making an actual Warhammer 40,000 exact clone of this, their knight. What I'm doing is I'm making our variation of this. However, having decent reference is massively important. And I have 136 images here. Now, if you want to print them out, you can. I can't give you my images, they're not mine to give you. But if you want to print out some images, you can, okay? Actually, I think I can possibly give you these kind of ones here, not including these sprues and things. I can probably give you these though, because they're just shots. Anyway, that's what we're going to be getting on with, okay? So, before you start, I would like you to download or prime or activate or register and make sure that you have something of all of these on the list. I can't tell you how long it's going to take you to do the tutorial. I tend to work quite quickly, but I tend to waffle a lot. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about things that sometimes make no sense and just talking complete and utter bullshit. Another thing you're going to have to get used to in this tutorial is, yes, there probably will be some swearing. I do that a lot. There's going to be sarcasm. I do that a lot. Cynical observations, you're going to get those. If I make a mistake, and I think that you should watch how to repair the mistake because you might suffer the same problem, then I'm going to show you how to fix mistakes. Something not a lot of tutorials do, but it's kind of important. We're going to have fun though, and hopefully if you watch it all and your brain doesn't melt, you will learn how to make a knight and you'll be a better artist. Once the initials modelling's done, we'll see where we go from there. I'm not going to make any promises, it's a big old project. So, gird your loins, get your artist dungarees ready, put paint all over your beard. If you don't have a beard, or if you're female, go and steal someone's beard, and let's get ready to rumble. Yay.